Welcome traders to another Tickmill trading update with me, Patrick Munnelly. Want to update the S&P 500 view using the emini futures contract and put together a trade plan for the session ahead. Sorry. On the macro side of things, we have heightened tensions again with Iran and Israel, anticipating a potential retaliation imminently. So certainly we'll keep an eye on the wires for any response to that in terms of the markets and positioning. From a data perspective, we have PPI this afternoon ahead of CPI tomorrow, and we have some Fed speakers as well out later today. So I'm anticipating the potential for a little bit of short-term volatility here. And in terms of the technical setup, on the weekly time frame, we obviously got that reversal last week after the meltdown last Monday, and we're seeing some follow through to the upside. We have a gap here, an open gap on the weekly time frame up into that 54.90s, 54.97. And in terms of the daily chart, we have the descending trend channel resistance coming in just above there at the 55.05. So if we get through the initial resistance into the 54.30, 54.20, which I referenced yesterday, then that's going to be the target zone. And certainly I'll be looking to the potential to fade any move into that area with bearish reversal patterns confirming some supply there. If we move to the intraday timeframes, looking at the 4-hour chart here, these are my current positions and current book. I've trading stops up on the longs that I'm running decent profits on those. I'm also trading stops up on crude oil, and have moved to risk-free on Bitcoin, and I'm slightly underwater on the dollar. We'll see if the PPI data comes in a little bit hotter than anticipated, then that might put a bid under the dollar. We'll see, but I've got a reasonable stop in place there, about 50 points of wiggle room to see if we can see this dollar catch a bid. The levels basically remain the same as yesterday. We haven't really done anything material in terms of movement. So I'm looking for an initial test into this 54.20, 54.30. I'm looking for a pullback from there to retest this support zone at the weekly bull bear, 53.60, 53.50. And from there, I think then we can see them move up into our target zone for the week, which is just above the 5,500 level, where, like I said yesterday, I will be looking for bearish reverse patterns to engage on the short side. Downside objective will be obviously back through the bull bear zone and then on to test into this 52.50, 52.40. You can see we've got quite a bit of liquidity developing there at the moment through the book map. So that's where things stand at the moment. As I said yesterday, I'm not going to be on the desk this afternoon, so I'm going to leave some resting orders in place at the levels as I have just mentioned. As always, traders, plan the trade, trade the plan. See you next time. Thanks very much.